Oh na na na, hey, so much confusion. It's like I don't know what is going on. Can somebody tell me? Cause I don't understand. Oh, I am so confused. I don't know what to do. Someone wake me, wake me, wake me. Maybe I am dreaming. Or maybe shake me, shake me, shake me. Maybe I will just wake up to reality. Shake me, shake me, shake me. Am I dreaming? Oh, I beg you, wake me, wake me, wake me. Wake me to reality. I can't believe myself. This is happening to me. It is like a movie, but I am the one that is acting. It's like my memories are playing a prank with me, and I don't understand.
My brother, hold on. Please, I really respond actually. It's not fair, man. Okay. You just take this and then take your left. Yeah, take this way. Then take your left. Okay, thank you. Okay.
God forbid, you forbid! Nothing like that will ever happen. No, not in this family. Not to anyone that I know of. Hey! Honey, what is it? Helen, what happened?
The worst has happened!
And what happened to my son?
Why?
What happened?
God, why?
What is it? Where's my son?
Helen, I cannot say anything to you right now. You
What
just have to follow me. Helen, follow me.
What happened to my son? No, what is it?
Let us go.
Amulika, wait. What is it? How would you scare me like this? What's going on?
Helen, can you just follow me, please? Stand up.
Wait now. What is it? What's going on?
Helen, come on. What has happened? It has happened. God. Let's go.
Wait. What is it? What happened?
Helen, stop asking questions. What my eyes have seen this morning, my mouth cannot say it. Oh, I can't say it. You just have to follow me. Let's go.
Wait, my heart is beating fast. Just tell me what has happened.
Helen, stop asking questions. Let's go, please.
But
let's go. Helen, let's go.
What is it? Did anything happen to my son?
Emily, please, I can't say it. Let's go. My God, why? Let's go.
Alright. Yes. Really, stand up. Come on, stand up. Oh, yeah, move. Move. Come on, I said move. Come on, move. Come on. Come on, stand up. Come on, stand up. Come on. Stand up. Move.
Please, sir, please.
Move.
Junior. Junior, how are you? Are you okay? How are you? Listen, So where is your mommy?
She's in the backyard.
At the backyard? Okay. Oh yeah, continue reading your book, okay? I want to see your mommy. Okay? Good. Helen. Helen, when will you stop this?
I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to do. How could he just leave me like this? How could he leave me?
Listen, he did not leave you. Trust me, I am here. And I will make sure you lack nothing.
No. No one can replace him. Oh, he means the world to me. He means the whole world to me. Oh.
Helen, please. Please, you must stop crying. You must stop. You cannot drown yourself in your own tears. Please.
Death. Why me? Why me? Why did death choose me? Why did he pick my household? Why did you pick me? Should I just take him instead? Why me? Why me, God? This pain is too bitter for me to swallow.
Helen.
I can't do this anymore.
So you're still crying?
I don't know what else to do.
Thank God you're here. Do you know she has not eaten for days? Please talk to her because I don't know what else to tell her.
Helen, what are you doing to yourself? Why do you keep acting like this? Do you think about your son at all? Please, you have to heal yourself and move on.
I think I don't want to heal.
Please.
I want to heal.
Yes, and I'm here to help you heal.
But this pain is deep inside.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. It's okay.
It feels like I can't breathe anymore.
It's okay. You'll be fine.
I just want to die.
No, you will not die. Okay, now food is ready, okay? You need to come in
No,
and eat.
I don't want to eat anything.
I need you to come in and eat.
If I eat, will he come back?
Yes.
You and I know that he will not come back.
It's okay. You have to eat, okay?
He left me. He will come back to me.
Help me. I'm hungry. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help the poor boy. I'm hungry. Help me. Help me. Help me. Mama, help me. Mama, nothing is too small. Mama, you lost your children many years ago. But because of your good heart, the universe has brought you together with them.
What do you mean?
I don't know. That is what the universe told me to tell you, Ma. Please help me. Help the poor boy. Help the poor boy.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Mama, you are late again. I have told you to quit this job. This is not the best job for you.
I understand. But you won't understand.
I'm trying to understand, but the condition of work here is not being favorable for you.
That's why I know. I'm looking for a better job. Until I find that better job, I cannot quit this one. Nkita adoro mmono no. Okwa na afọ mere okwu ezu ike.
So, Mama, it is better you start going to inside now before Madam will come out. Before you see the naked fire. I understand.
I know.
Can you imagine? Where is this stupid woman? Everywhere is so scattered. Grace!
Ma,
Why are you just coming to work by this time?
it was traffic, I swear. The traffic was much. I was trying to meander before I was able to come to work now.
You must be very stupid. You this old woman. How dare you lie to me?
I swear to God, I'm not lying, no. You should have seen the traffic. If you had gone there, you would have seen the traffic.
You are sacked. In fact, you are fired.
It will never happen again. I will never come to work late again in my life.
Of course, I'm very sure that it will never happen again. Because this is the last time you ever step your foot into this house. My friend, get out! You beg? Who are you begging? Do I look like your mother? Are you stupid? Huh? Do I look like your mother? You coming to work by this time of the day? Just imagine the rubbish. Eh?
Mommy, I thought that Dad said you should not sack her.
Mom, please don't sack her. I still love her.
Look, both of you should go inside. Go to your room.
Mommy, I thought that disobedience is a sin, but you still want to disobey Dad.
Yeah, I said so, but she came to work late now.
Mom, please forgive her.
I'm sorry. Look, don't try this next time. Don't try it.
How are you? You slept well?
I think I have to go now.
Thank you. You have really tried for us. Murphy will be so proud of you.
I don't want you to keep thinking about him. Okay? Or do you want to go and join him there?
Well, I just wish he never left.
I know. But dwelling on that thought will only make you sick. I remember Junior needs you 100% at this moment.
It won't be easy to forget him. It won't be easy to move on just like that. Murphy was the only son of his late parents. So no brother-in-law or sister-in-law. No father or mother-in-law to even talk to. It's not fair.
I know. But whatever you think he doesn't have, I am. I am here to protect you and Junior. The only thing I cannot cover for him is in bed. Whatever you need, whatever assistance you need financially, I am willing to do it for you. Okay? So I want you to please make it a little easier for me.
Thank you. You're a good man. And I sincerely appreciate you.
It's okay. I'll keep trying.
Dada, what is it?
I saw Daddy.
Where?
In our room. I wanted to touch him, then he disappeared.
There is nowhere you see Daddy and he disappears. Is he a ghost?
Well, I'm surprised. I need to tell Mommy about this.
You need to call Daddy on phone and tell him we miss him.
Okay, let's go home. Let's go outside.
Please, can you help us call our father?
Yes, we're missing him.
Okay. I called him a few days ago, but his phone was switched off. I will send him a message telling him his babies missed him a whole lot. Right?
But Mama, why is it that our Mommy doesn't like you? Any little thing you do, she wants to sack you.
Oh, don't talk like that. Your mom likes me a great deal. Just that she wants to make sure I'll be able to take care of you too. It's concern.
But I don't think she loves you.
She loves me. Okay? She wants me to be taken care of as well. She wants to make sure I take care of you. But she knows I am old and needs to be taken care of as well. That is why she's worried. It's as if she hates me.
But Mama...
Don't say anything again. Your mom loves me a whole lot. And she loves you too. Right? And I want the two of you to love her as well. She's concerned about the two of you.
Hey, UJ. Longest time. Your husband is a very funny man. Why is he always like that?
Well, he claims to be stubborn, but I have shown him that I am more stubborn than he can ever imagine.
Nne, you are married to a good man. Hi! God, I wish I married this kind of husband. If you try this with my husband, he will give you the beating of your life.
Beats? Did you just say beats? Ha! He can't even try such. In fact, I will not give him the chance to try it with me. For what? How?
Ha! Wait. UJ, you mean if your husband tried this kind of thing, you will beat him?
Well, I will not touch him. But I will not let him try it with me. It's not possible now.
Though it's funny, but I think it's high time you stop. Yes. Give your husband a break. Before you nag him into trouble one day.
Nag?
Yes.
Have you not seen some useless men, how they manipulate their wives? I will not let that happen to me at all.
It's true.
Yes! I will not let any man manipulate me. It's not possible now.
Yes, it's true, but your husband, no, your husband cannot do such a thing. Yes, he's a very calm person. He's a very soft guy. I believe if you follow him calmly and lovely, you will enjoy him more.
Lies. That's a very, very big lie. My dear, I know the kind of man I got married to. If I don't press, if I don't push for him to give me money, he won't try it. He will give me cheap money because he likes cheap things. Whenever I ask him to give me money to give to my siblings, he wouldn't want to give me money. Can you imagine? No, now. That's a big lie. I need to press that man for him to bring out money.
Ne, you know this man, you are the one that is married to him. I'm not the one. And I will not tell you how to handle your man. You understand? But you see that my husband, if you like, lie down on the floor for him to be matching you every day. He will still beat me. That man is very ungrateful.
Well, just do what works for you. As for me, I am doing what works for me and I am enjoying it very well. If you like, let him run. He will definitely come back home to meet me. Is it not me again?
You J1. I go on. You J baby. Hey. But you have to take it easy.
Take it. Take what is? What am I taking is?
I'm saying. It's your juice.
I got a report from the police.
About what?
About what happened to my friend Murphy.
I told you I am no longer interested in that investigation. It won't bring my husband back. Let posterity and karma judge whoever has a hand in his death.
I think it's important that you know this.
What is it?
There is this big company that want to build an estate and require the help of a building company to assist them. So Murphy happened to send his proposal to this company and they were completely impressed about his presentation. So the police said that one of his rivals considered him a big threat and got so jealous.
He told me. He told me about the job. As a matter of fact, he had gone to Enugu to meet some people concerning the job. He had an appointment with them. And he never came back.
I will make sure that the perpetrators of this heinous crime are brought to book.
If only I had known, I wouldn't have let him. I would have asked him to forget about the job. I would have held him back. I would have asked him to stay behind.
It's okay. I will help you heal, okay? And I'll also follow up this contract and make sure that that contract don't elude us.
No. Forget about the contract. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Don't worry, nothing is going to happen to me, okay? Even the Bible said that affliction shall not arise a second time. So I'll be fine. There is a document concerning this job that he brought home. Yes, I would like you to locate this document for me.
No. 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 Please, no. Stop. It's enough. Please, forget about this. No. Please.
Helen, I am going to be fine. Nothing will go wrong.
Can we just forget this? No, I don't want this anymore. I'm tired of it all. Please. Please, let it go.
What's happening? Oh, Jesus Christ. What's going on? I got so scared. My God. Oh, God.
Mommy, what is this?
Yes, I saw a very big rat. Like, God, the rat was so big and I got scared. That's why I had to come over to the parlor. Oh.
Mommy, just because of rats, you're shouting as if you saw a ghost.
Of course! Of course! Ghost! No, rat! Rat! Like the rat was so big, it was just about to climb the bed, so I had to run down to the parlor. Like, I got so scared.
But where is the rat? Let me go and kill it.
Oh, please, don't worry. Tomorrow I'll get rat poison. Where's your brother?
He's still sleeping.
Alright, go to your bed. Go to your room now. Go and sleep. Yeah, go to the bed. Please, please.
Mom, good night.
Okay, good night. Good night, darling. It's fine. Oh my God, my heart. What's going on?
Why is he not picking his calls? Eh?
His number's not even connecting.
God.
I don't know why he keeps on behaving this way. And he's putting this company into jeopardy.
I told you earlier, he has a nagging wife.
Stacy, in as much as I'm not in support of what he's doing, I will completely detest your gossips.
You know this one is not gossip. I'm not assuming. Countless times I've heard him make calls telling people that he's not at peace in his house. His wife is not giving him peace. I know what I'm talking about.
You see, the funny thing is he has some consignments to approve. And we're just here wasting time unnecessarily. It's just driving me mad. It's driving me insane.
So what do we do now? Can we just go on? You can explain to him later. Before our clients will think we are not serious.
And who's going to approve it?
I don't know. I'm just confused. This is serious. I'm just confused. I don't know.
So, boss, I respect you. Everywhere you go, be that in the be. Oh, Wasu. Yes, really. Stand up! Hey, move! Come on, move!
I promise, just make sure what you want.
Your papa get money. Na point. Boss, no be so. Yes! Yes!
Okay, John.
Ah, come on, stand up with your papa here. Come on. Move! Move!
Mama Grace, have you been able to speak with our father?
Yes, I spoke with him. He said he's busy at work.
Did you tell him that we miss him?
I told him and he said very soon he will come back to see two of you.
When is he coming back?
He said very soon.
Very soon. That's what he keeps telling us. Yet he will not come back.
You know, he didn't give any particular date of his coming. Because he said he wants this one to be a surprise. Trust me, he will come.
Okay, when next you call him, tell him we miss him so much.
I told him, and I'll still tell him again. But he said he misses the two of you so much. Your daddy missed you a lot. He said, I miss my Ada. I was trying to make a call. Let me finish the call. I'll meet you inside.
Someone so important in this whole wide world as the one that has taken from me. Hey, someone who's my backbone and my everything as the one that has taken away. That's why I'm crying. How can I move on? I'm falling anywhere more. Yeah, that's why I'm crying. How can I move on? Ngakolonye kosidinimo.
My love. How are you? My Superman. Where are you? My hero. How do you expect me to go through this life without you? It's been another day without you. How do you want me to know that I will never set my eyes on you ever again? You should have resisted this death. You should have resisted death. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I shouldn't have let you go that day. Now the most valuable human being that I know has been uprooted and taken from me, leaving me with a deep hole that can never be filled. It's my fault. Yes, it's my fault. It's my fault. It's my fault, my love, my fault, all mine. I shouldn't have let you go.
I shouldn't have let you go. No, I shouldn't have let you go.
My love, you know, forget that contract. I'm gonna buy you a new phone.
Wait, you're going to buy me a new phone?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, yes, a new phone, yes. Okay, what else are you going to buy for me?
What else do you want?
Okay, I want some wrappers. Yes.
I'm talking millions here. Millions.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Millions. But you've never handled such huge projects before. How are you going to carry out the job?
I had to read a little about the owner of the real estate. Yeah. You know, he's been into this for a while, investing in micro businesses and supporting their way through.
So, basically, he's empowering startup businesses.
More like, yeah,
That's a risk.
business is risk, my love.
Well, all I know is if anyone will get that contract, trust me, it's you.
Amen. Amen, Pastor Missy.
But guess what?
Hmm?
You must get my phone.
Must.
Wrappers.
Noted.
School bag for Junior. And there's shoes. Oh my god, they're so cute. The rays of your love beam so bright. You brought light into my world. Why is it that the world hate to see life glow in beauty and in elegance? Anytime life feels so sweet, then the news of an unbearable loss comes. Just take a look at it. Because of this, just this, something I could just tear right now and just end it all. I shouldn't have let you go that day. I should have stopped you. It was all my fault. Yes. I should have stopped him. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Basha.
My love, as you go, I pray you come back with good news.
Definitely. I mean, I'm just going to sign the deal and I pray they give us the funds, as soon as possible.
Don't worry, everything will go well. Okay? It's just that I'll miss you.
I'm just going for 3 days.
Oh, come on. A day without you by my side feels like 1,000 years.
Let me tell you something. No matter how far I go, I want you to know one thing.
What?
I would always be here with you, and you will be with me. Okay? I love you.
Love you more.
I gotta go. Hmm? I'll miss you. I'll really do such a catch up, right?
Okay.
Love you.
Love you more. Bye.
Bye.
Why did I let you leave that day? You promised me you would come back in 3 days. Just 3 days. Tell me, how do I live without you? My love has been over 3 days. Please come back to me. Please. I can't do this anymore. I can't even hold her. Please, come back. Just come back.
Helen, you still here crying.
Let me cry. Let me cry my love back to me.
It's okay. It's okay. Helen, you really need to stop crying. For your own good health, please. Listen, I know it's very painful, but no amount of tears will bring him back. Please, my dear, just hold yourself. Please, okay? It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. You need to stop crying, please. No amount of tears will bring him back. You're hurting yourself, Helen. Now you're gonna make me cry, please. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, wipe your tears, okay? It's okay.
Who's there? Who's there? Ada? Kene? Huh? Who's there?
I saw him in my dream again.
Me too, I saw him in my dream. He was crying.
Crying? We've never seen Daddy cry before.
That is what I'm not happy about.
We need to tell Mommy about this.
Daddy doesn't speak Mommy's call.
And Mama Grace is not yet here. I don't even know what to do.
Madam. Sorry.
What is it?
I just came in here and discovered that you're lying down here sleeping.
Yeah. I'm not feeling too well.
Oh.
Yeah.
I can see it written on your face. Why don't you seek medical attention? Because you are not looking well at all.
That's not necessary. I'll be fine.
Okay, let me check the children.
Madam Grace, please, when last did you talk to my husband?
It's a long time ago. Like 2 months. A month, 2 months now.
Why? Like, I thought you usually talk to him, so...
I used to do, but his number is not available. I've been trying to call him for the past 1 month. His number is not connecting.
Did he tell you where he is?
No, he didn't. Listen, I'm begging you. When Nessie comes home, try and make peace with him. I am having this strange feeling and it's not good. Please, madam. Please.
Oh, all right, it's fine. Just go and attend to the kids, please.
Okay, ma. What are you people doing here now?
Good morning, ma.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you, my lovely angels?
I'm not fine.
You're not fine. What happened?
I keep seeing our daddy in my dream.
My love, what did he tell you?
He was crying.
I saw him too. He was not happy.
That's not true. I know your father. He is always a happy man. Each time I call him on the phone, he sounds happy and cheerful. So it couldn't have been him.
But why was he not happy in our dream?
Don't say things like that. People's faces are sometimes different from what we see in our dreams. When next you see your father in your dream, pray for him so that God will protect him for you. Right?
Yes, but I thought.
Don't thought now. It's not that time for thoughting. Come and get ready. Let's go to school, yeah?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Come.
So you mean he has not been coming to the office?
Oh yes, you see, it's been 2 months now. Been trying to reach him. His number doesn't connect. Yeah. You see, the most weird part of the whole thing is his car. His car has been parked at the company premises for a while now. Since the day he left.
Oh my goodness. What about his car keys?
I really can't give you any information about that because, I can't say.
Has he been this isolated before?
No. Not really. You see, he has documents he has to approve before we proceed to the customers. But he hasn't been picking his calls, so that really kept us handicapped.
Wow, this is serious.
You see, madam, I would advise you call your husband. I believe you have his contact. You call him because we are listening clients, and you know what that means to the company.
He has not even paid us for 2 months now.
Okay, it's fine, it's fine. You guys can leave. I'll get back to you.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
Baby! Helen! Come on, darling, where are you?
Chinedu,
Hey.
what is it? Why are you excited?
Sit down, I got good news for you. Sit down. I got the job.
You got the job?
Yes.
You got the job?
Yes, I did.
You got the job?
Oh, come on.
You got the job.
Come on, don't start, please. Come on.
I'm happy for you.
I know. Don't start, please. Today is supposed to be our day of joy. Let us be happy for once today. Okay? It's okay. It's okay. It's alright.
Honey? My love! Hey! Honey?
My love. Your smells. Tell me, how did it go?
Ah!
How
Look,
did it go?
among all the resume that was forwarded, they picked 3 and I happen to be among.
Yes, I told you you're gonna get it.
Yes, so they said they're going to give us a call back
Okay.
to come and seal the deal. Like, I mean, I'm the happiest man in the world. Our lives are about to change!
You know what? I made something really good because I knew that you're gonna get it.
Really?
Yes!
Let's do
Let me
it!
give you all the perfect.
Oh my God.
It's okay, madam. It's okay.
Someone so important in this whole wide world as the one that has taken from me. Hey, someone who's my backbone and my everything. As the one that has taken away. That's why I'm crying. How can I move on? I'm falling anywhere more. Yeah, that's why I'm crying.
Thank God. Thank God he's back. Thank God he's back. Thank God he's back. Thank God. Dankwa. Dankwa.
Madam!
Who called my name?
Madam, did you hear anyone called you?
Please don't ask me questions.
Madam, I'm asking you a question because in my village, when you hear such voice calling you, it means either you are going to lose something or you have already lost someone without knowing.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. I am not from your village.
Even though you are not from my village, start now calling your relatives. Check on them.
Can you imagine? My friend, get out from here. Go to your duty post.
Yes.
Start calling my relative. Imagine.
Oh na na na, hey, so much confusion. It's like I don't know what is going on. Can somebody tell me? Cause I don't understand. Oh, I am so confused. I don't know what to do. Someone wake me, maybe I am dreaming. Hey, or maybe shake me, maybe I will just wake up
Madam,
to
what is
reality.
it? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Have you heard from him?
No. I just pray nothing happens to him because if anything happens, I'll never forgive myself.
Madam, it's not yet time to talk like that. What you need now is prayer, a lot of it. Pray more for him than complain.
Alright, it's fine. Has he ever told you where he is at any time?
No, ma. He's always told me he is not far away. That's much he has said to me.
Okay, no problem. Just keep calling him, send him text messages, even if he refuses to come back. But just make sure he tells you where he is. Please.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
All right. Just confused.
Hey, so much confusion. It's like I don't know what is going on. Can somebody tell me? Cause I don't understand. Oh.
No. I don't feel like going out.
Oh, come on. You're looking so sweet to stay at home.
Okay. Where are we going to?
Don't worry about that. Just follow me. Okay? Where is Junior?
Oh, he went to Amuli's house.
That's okay. So, shall we?
Of course.
Bella, I don't know. I'm beginning to feel some kind of way about my husband. He no longer talks to anybody, including his office. I don't know what to do.
His office?
Yes! His office, he has cut everyone off. I don't know what to do.
I said it. Marrying a calm man can be a very big problem. His ways can be like that of the wind. Nobody knows its direction.
I wonder why he's doing that.
You're not even helping matters.
How?
You knock the hell out of this man. You're even going overboard. I hope he's fine wherever he is.
That's the problem. I just hope he's fine. Like, I don't even understand. Look, Bella, I'm beginning to, have some sort of negative feeling, like negative energy about this whole thing. Seriously, I am confused as hell. You really need to help me, please.
So, what have you done about it?
Nothing. I haven't done anything and I'm confused.
You are not serious. You have not done anything. Eh? You are looking for your husband. They are just saying you have not done anything. You are confused. Ha! You are not even serious. You are looking for your husband and you are behaving this way. Why do you take everything lightly?
I am not taking anything lightly. I'm not. I'm just confused. What do you want me to do now? Ha!
Just sit down and relax. I pray you don't learn the hard way this time.
Bella.
I
called you here to tell me what to do and not to judge me. Why are you sounding this way now?
I am not judging you and you know that. I am not. I've told you so many things and you refuse to do them.
Okay, it's fine. I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry. It's just that I'm confused and I need to talk to someone. I need you to talk to me.
It's okay, it's fine. First, you need to pray about this whole situation. Secondly, we'll go to the police station and report this case to them.
Report?
Yes.
Does that mean my husband is missing or something, like he's lost?
I'm not saying that your husband is missing. No. Your husband could still be in this town. It's just for the police to help us and find him. That's all.
Okay, it's fine. I just hope they find him for me. Seriously.
You know, if only you will learn.
Ha.
You're pushing me. I'm pushing, pressing him. Yeah, you don't press him now. My dear, go and give me food if you have any.
Helen. 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 Why are you still lonely when I'm here with you? You seem to have forgotten yesterday.
Well, I can't seem to forget my loss.
So, do you want to get lost to make up for your loss?
Honestly, I'm trying. I just can't move on.
Listen, if you want to move on, you have to look beyond your loss. Alright? Why do you still look at me as a stranger? You just totally sweep our past into the dustbin.
So you still remember that?
I had to take it off my mind. But is it not right I bring it back on? I know. Baby, I will just stay there for only 2 years.
2 years?
Yes.
Ha! No, now. How do you expect me to cope in this village without you?
Baby, you will cope, okay? Before you know it, 2 years will be here, I will come back.
No. You know I cannot even stay 2 days without you. Now you want me to stay 2 years without you? Stop now. Please. Listen, let's do it like this. Cancel the journey. Cancel it. Or take me alongside with.
How? But you know you cannot go with me.
Why?
I'm going there to learn work now.
So you expect me to actually stay in this village without you? Me, I will not stay.
Calm down, okay? You will stay.
No, I don't want to stay. I don't want to stay without you. No.
I don't think it's easy for me to. You guys live a beautiful. For 2 years.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Don't go and meet another girl there, because I will kill her.
But you know I love you so much.
And I love you more.
So I'm not meeting anyone, okay?
And you left me for 4 years.
I didn't want to come back empty-handed. So I had to stay back and work.
And you expected me to wait for you for that long, right? Why are we even discussing this? I've long moved on from the past.
Listen, Helen, I am so sorry for taking you back. But please, give me the opportunity to amend my wrongs.
Don't go there, please.
Helen, you cannot stay like this forever. You need a man by your side.
Can't you see I'm mourning? I am still mourning.
Okay, I'm sorry if I'm moving too fast. I'm so sorry. But I still want you to understand that I love you. I love you so much. And we can still be happy together again.
Oh, na na na, yeah. Hey, so much confusion. It's like I don't know what is going on. Can somebody tell me?
Hey, Lord, please save him for me. Please bring him back. My enemies will laugh at me. His family will deal with me. Oh God. Please, save my husband. Honey, where are you? I will never bother you again this time. I never knew it would get to this. Oh my God.
It's like I don't know what is going on. Can somebody tell me? Cause I don't understand. Oh, I am so confused. I don't know what to do. Someone wake me, wake me, wake me. Maybe I am dreaming. Hey, or maybe shake me, shake me, shake me. Maybe I will just wake up to reality. Shake me, shake me.
Thank you so much for today. I really appreciate it.
Oh, that's okay. You see, I've been thinking of something.
What?
I think I am going to move you and Junior out of that village.
To where exactly?
Oh, come on, Helen. Stop. Stop being rigid to me.
You can never change, Chinedu.
I'm sure you know what I mean.
I know, but I need some time to think about it.
What can I say? That's okay. That's okay.
But sincerely, thank you though.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Glad.
I hope Junior has taken his dinner.
Of course. And I fed him very well.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yes. I want to ask, how was your outing with Chinedu?
So, he was asking for my love.
Really? That is beautiful. So, what did you say?
I told him I would think about it.
Why? What is there to think about? Will you not be jealous if you see him with another woman?
Why would I be jealous if I see him with another woman?
Why
Come
not?
on, he has his life to live.
Oh,
Yes.
really? Really? Helen, look at me in the eyes and tell me you do not love Chinedu. Tell me.
Calm down. What is it? You know I cannot just jump on him like that now. What's that?
I know you love him. Listen, the fact that you lost your husband is not the end of the world for you. I need you to find love again. So give this love a chance so both of you will just move on and be happy.
I hope Junior didn't give you too much trouble today.
No, not at all. My consign is for you to find love and be happy. As for Junior, leave him for me. I will take care of him. Okay? Now let him take him inside so he will go and sleep.
Don't worry, leave him. I've not held him.
Okay. It's okay.
Madam, good morning, ma'am.
Dankwa, what is it?
Madam, I have come to tell you that I have resigned. Yes.
I don't understand. You've come to tell me that you have resigned.
Yes.
Like, what's that supposed to mean? Is it that we're not paying you well or you've gotten another offer?
Madam, none of the above. If I leave this job now, I know I will suffer. But it is better I die of suffering than nobody know what killed Dankwa.
Dankwa, you know you have to stop taking that brukutu of a thing because whenever you take it, you don't have sense. Like, your reasoning will be so low. What is it?
Madam, now you come. Brukutu make me confident, even to open my eyes to see the ghost.
What? Ghosts? Like, what's that supposed to mean? Ghosts? Where did you see ghosts? What are you talking about?
Madam, every night when you are on the bed sleeping and snoring, I wake up and running around over the house because of the ghost.
Shut your mouth! Look, don't allow my children to hear that there is a ghost in this house. There can't be any ghost in my house. You understand me?
Madam, I know you won't believe it. Because there is no evidence. Madam, I want to resign.
What?
Yeah.
Look, Dankwa, I have been going through a lot of recent. So please, I don't want you to add more problems to my problem. Can you just go to your duty post? We'll talk about this later, please. Yes.
Madam, if I see this ghost again, hey, Dankwa, before you wake up in the next day, Dankwa himself don't dey near a papa house to a village. Dankwa, you say make I go to my people. So one of
What? Wait, Ghost, like, I don't understand. I hope nothing has happened to my husband. God, ouch. I hope nothing has happened to my husband. What have I done? Nothing has happened. God. He's not around.
But I just called him and he told me he's at home.
You just called him and he told you he's at home. Does that make me a liar? Don't you understand English? I just told you that my husband is not around. So what are you trying to say? You're calling me a liar, eh?
Come on, it hasn't got into this. I only asked you if he's at home. I need to see him. I have a pressing need now.
And I said he is not around. Is your brain popped? Do you want to put words in my mouth? I said he's not around. is it? What is relation? Nonsense. Why are you stressing me?
Sorry.
What of nonsense is that? Sorry for yourself, idiot. My friend locked my gate. Where is Dankwa? My friend, push him out. I don't want to see this idiot around here again.